friends, Running Kimono here. We are in store for the week of July the 26th to August the 1st over at Walgreens. 48-cent tie. Do I have your attention? I hope I do. So for a lot of you that got this booster, which is the 10 back when you spend 45, at the end of the video, I'm going to show you that $45 basket with the very cheap Tide. And if you have a paper booster, like a 5 back when you spend 15, and if you could stack it with this, you're going to get your basket completely for free, which is like crazy. Now, a couple pieces of housekeeping before we dive into the deals. The first being the candy did not dollar out. A lot of people were asking that. It's still at 80%. And last Friday, like I found a bunch of these for $1.60, so I'm still picking them up. A little bit more pricey is the dollar Russell Stouffer's. It's called American Style. It's like a piece of peanut butter brittle. And these are $2 right now. I would love to see them drop down to $1, so it would have to go down to 90% off. And World Cup stuff is still $1 each, and some stores still had a bunch of it left. So if that's your thing, definitely be on the lookout for the following. Now, if you guys could do me a huge kindness before we jump into the deals, if you could please give this video a big enthusiastic thumbs up, I would be so grateful. Really helps out the channel and the video. If you can like it or possibly press the hype button, you would make my Sunday. Okay, let's hop right into the deals. The first sizzling deal is the Crest or Oral-B at $3.50 each. Now, over on IBOTTA, there's a $2 rebate. It does have that timer, so you have to do this deal sooner in the week than later, but you're going to get $2 back once for one of those toothpastes. So if you wanted to get 2 brushes in one paste, you can do that. And we have this gorgeous 5 off of 3 that appeared this morning, so make sure you load it. And make sure you don't have a $2 one and this one loaded, because the smaller one will come off first. The promotion is when you buy 3 of these, you're getting back a $5 register reward, plus $2 back from IBOTTA. Makes it free, guys. So really quick rundown here. 3 of these for $10.50, subtracting that coupon, you're going to pay $5.50, $5 register reward back. Ask if the machine is on as well. Photograph your receipt to IBOTTA for $2 back. Free plus a $1.50 moneymaker. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. Do this deal sooner in the week because that time ticker on IBOTTA, I saw it this morning. You got to do it ASAP. Deal that's absolutely fantastic this week is on an assortment of P&G laundry care. This is the fancier line. It's not the cheap line. On each of these items, we have dollar digital coupons. So load all 4 to participate in this deal. The promotion is when you buy 4 of these, you're getting back a $5 register reward, and they're priced at $4.99 each. So grabbing an assortment, it's going to be $19.96 or $4.99 times 4. And please make sure you're grabbing the right items that are tagged in your store. So after the coupons, you're going to pay $15.96, get back a $5 register reward, making it $10.96 for the 4 or $2.74 per. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. Another deal I absolutely love this week is on the Gillette and Venus disposable razors. These are buy one, get one 50% off, and we have $3 coupons off of each. And also when you spend $15, you're getting back a $5 register reward. So please make sure that when you are in store, you're grabbing the ones that are tagged. And make sure you also ask the cashier, hey, is the register reward machine printing out those coupons today? Or just point at the machine and say, hey, is it printing? That'll save you a lot of headache if you ask. And if the cashier's been at the front, they will know definitively if it's been working or not. So grabbing a ladies and a men's razor, that's $15.88. Buy one, get one 50% off. Subtracting 2 $3 coupons, that's $6 melting off right there. You're going to pay $9.88. Get back a $5 register reward for spending $15, making it $4.88 for the 2 or $2.44 per razor. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. Now we're going to take a little tiny break, and I'm just going to jog through some of the deals I really like this week as well in store, including this Puffs for $6.99. We have a $2 digital coupon, dropping this guy down to $4.99 for 4 boxes of Puffs. That's a really great price point, guys. We also have the food storage bags by Walgreens. Buy one, get two for free at $2.79. It basically makes it 93 cents per box of 20 food storage bags. And yes, you can mix and match if you want to get sandwich and the larger gallon bags. You can do that, and it's really fantastic because these bags, with back to school right around the corner, I mean, I think that's something everybody will be using an abundance of, especially if you need to get organized. And we also have this 4 for $10 on the Tide Simply, the Downy, the Magic Erasers. It makes it $2.50 per. Definitely, if you have any digital coupons, you can mix and match. Or if you want to stock up, if you're a newer couponer, those Magic Erasers, I would definitely stock up on that. Why not? And if you're a big soda drinker as well, we have a buy two, get two for free on the Coke products. So we haven't seen that in about a week or so. So if you want to stock up on that, I would definitely figure out a deal with the Coke products because right after Labor Day, they kind of slow down on these products right until Christmas. So I would stock up. Another great deal I love this week in store is the Colgate for $6, a $5 reward when you purchase two of these, and a new 6 off of 2 digital coupon appeared this morning. So we're going to load that, and it's a $5 register reward when you purchase two of these. Please make sure that you're grabbing the right tagged items in store. Because you just don't want to grab like two and the register reward not to print for you. And we've all been there. So just really pay attention when you're in store. And the promotion for this is super easy. 2 of the Colgates for $12. Subtracting the 6 off of 2, you're going to pay $6. Get back a $5 register reward, making it $1 for 2 or 50 cents per. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster, but not a bad little deal. Like 50 cents is definitely a stock up price. So I would definitely stock up on this. We also have this Excedrin, a $5 store reward when you buy 2, and we have a 6 off of 2 digital coupon. These are the rapid, like it just releases quickly. And this is the coupon that you're going to load. There's also a PayPal rebate. You know what, class? I would stick to the digital coupon and don't mess around with PayPal in case they make your account PayPal only, which I think might happen if you're kind of like playing around with this. I've seen stuff like that happen before. So just to side on safety, I would just go with the digital coupon. So grabbing 2 of these friends, it's $12.98. Subtracting that coupon, you're going to pay $6.98. Get back a $5 register reward. It's very similar to that cough drop coupon. It's a store register reward. So just don't put that in a booster deal because it's going to mess up your math. Makes it $1.98 for 2 or 99 cents per Excedrin. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster, but I know a lot of us like the Excedrin, so this is a way to get it on the cheap, so why not? Another deal that I absolutely love this week is on the Palmolive at $2.99. If you can find the Suavitel, grab one of each because we have a 75 cent off the Suavitel and a 75 cents off the Palmolive, but my store only has the Palmolive, and you get a $3 reward when you purchase 2, essentially making it like a BOGO free. So 2 of these friends at $5.98. Subtracting that coupon, you're going to pay $5.23. Get back a $3 register reward, making it $2.23 for the 2 or $1.11 per. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. Okay, now our friend Pantene at $5.49. For this promotion, we're going to be grabbing 3 of these friends. If you want to mix and match the shampoos and conditioners, by all means. And we have a 4 off of 2 digital coupon, so they were a little bit generous. I thought we were going to get a 3 off of 2, but we're getting a 4 off of 2. The promotion for this is that when you buy 3, you're getting back a $4 register reward. So again, make sure that machine is rocking and rolling for this deal. 3 of these is going to be $16.47. Subtracting our coupon, you're paying $12.47, getting back a $4 register reward, making it $8.47 for the 3 or $2.82 per Pantene. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. Okay, and the last deal we're going to talk about is the Olay. They removed the IBOTTA rebate. So guys, you're not getting that $4.50 back from IBOTTA. I apologize. Hang on to your receipt in case it might reappear. We do have this 5 off of 3 digital coupon off of the Olay body washes. When you buy 3 of them, you're getting back an $8 register reward. So 3 of these would be $24. Subtracting your coupon, you're going to pay $19, get back an $8 register reward, making it $11 for 3 or $3.66 per. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. You might be so lucky to have a 10 back when you spend $45. We're going to be looking at a $45 basket right now. And please double, triple check the math when you're at the register that everything's ringing up properly and that machine is on so you're getting your register rewards, because we're going heavy on this one. So let's just jog through this really quickly. 4 P&G laundry care products for $19.96. 3 Crest for $10.50, 2 Gillette disposables for $15.88 for a grand total of $46.34. Have your booster loaded. It's also of a one-time use. You have $15 in digitals melting off, 4 for the laundry care, 5 for Crest, and 6 for the razors. So you're going to pay $31.34 with your debit card, debit, credit, or cash bills, and then you're getting back $10 in Walgreens cash, $15 in register rewards. Photograph your receipt for $2 back from IBOTTA. The final price point here is $4.34 for the 9 items, or 48 cents each. If you might have a paper booster, like a 5 back when you spend $15, it's going to make all of this completely free. Let's not forget, class, do not use any Walgreens cash to pay down the balance or a store register reward, as it will mess up your subtotal. That's it for this video. As always, thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.